Hello, hello everyone. Okay, so this tutorial is for the GRASP, Graphical Rapid Analysis Structures program. So I will introduce to you about the menus and the use of this program. This is only for two-dimensional, which is useful for civil engineering students. Okay, so first one is the file. Okay, you can make import data here. Okay, this is, if you can remember, there is a previous version of two-dimensional structural program using a like an DOS based or like an Excel. Okay, so that is a microFIA. Okay, so you can import here, and you can also import a DXF file. Okay, so you can make also a setup. Okay, so now the other one is for edit. Okay, and you can see this one also on the icons below this tab. Okay, then the structure, you can make a truss. Okay, frame. Okay, you have to select if you are analyzing structure, frame, or structure of truss. Okay, so this also you can input this one using the icon below this tab. Okay, and one feature is here is the structure wizard. Okay, if I click this one, you have these options here. Okay, so you can select this one. Okay, so these are default here, but you can make on here another type or another frame. Okay, based on what you prefer to do. Okay, so if I next this one and click next, you can input. You will see the units here are in feet, but you can change that one. Okay, I will close this one, and then you can select here in options the units. Okay, so these units, so you can select here. Okay, meter or metric. Okay, so there is a selection, and then you can click OK. If I go back to the structure wizard, you will see. Okay, I will just make save no. Okay, so that you can see. And then if we go put next, for example, I select this one, I make next. As you see before, the units are in English, now in metric. Okay, so SI is in meters. Okay, so if I click next again, you will, if you will see here, you will specify the sizes of the columns. Okay, so I will just click next. Also, you can specify the section for the beam, and you can click the finish, and you will have your frame here, two-dimensional frame. Okay, so the other one is here is yeah, it's general soft weight. Okay, it's check here. If you will see here, I will click this one as self load. Okay, I will erase first this one. Delete. Okay, that's how you will delete. I will try first to make this one in live load, and then I want to put a load. This is how you will make put a load. Okay, at one time you can select this one, select member. Okay, so you can select all this one, and then you can select this add member load. Okay, so the first one that you will need to click is this add. Okay, so that after clicking this one, you will see now that there is a yellow column. So you can now select whatever load you want here. Okay, for example, I want to choose this one and I will input the load. Okay, and then I will click OK. So that's the way it is. I will see if there is a self load. I think it's self load. I will, if you want, you can right click also here and you can check this one, view over all setup, and then you can view the member loads. Okay, I think it's okay. I think there is no self load here because okay, we'll go back. We'll go back and assign. I think that is a problem. So assign. We'll make another frame like this, but we will assign or encode this section of the columns. Okay, so I think so that we can if you will click this self load, we can make the appearance here, okay, of the self load, okay, the self weight of the section. Okay, so we'll go back here. We'll click first this one as live load. Okay, and then to this structure wizard, we will click no, and as we selected here, okay, so we'll just make this as default so that it will be the same as what we have previously modeled. And then click, and we will try to encode 300, and then 300 again here, and we will click next. And this is for the beam. We'll make this one as 400, and then 300, and then we'll click finish. Okay, and we'll see if there is a self load. Still nothing. Live load. Okay, we'll see if it will come. Okay, so we'll click load, add 10 as well. We have got before. Okay, and then we'll try soft load. Okay, we'll go back again to live load. We'll try to analyze. Okay, to analyze the frame, and we'll just put yes, and then XX. Put any file name. Say okay. So that is how you will analyze, and then we'll try to click the self load. If there is, yes, there is already. I think that is the way how we will show the self load. You have to analyze first. Okay, but for the did load, okay, this one, you have, this is a superimposed did load. Okay, it's not the did load of the material or the section. Okay, so the did load is this for the section, or the self weight is seen here on the self load. Okay, so this is how you will see. You have to analyze first, and then you can see now the self load or self weight. Okay, let us try to go back to live load, and we'll remove the loads here. Okay, so that we will see if there is a result. Okay, so we'll just delete. Okay, and then we'll delete it also. That this is how you will delete the load that you applied. Okay, okay, then delete. Okay, then delete. Okay, delete. Okay. Now, I want to analyze if really there is a self load. okay, without applying any live load. Okay, so yes, I will just make it yes. And then we'll go back to self load. Yes. If you can see the load, the self weight of the member or the elements, okay, you can see already on self load. Okay, so meaning there is incorporated self load here, but it is in separate tab. Okay, so if you want to apply a superimposed dead load, except for the self weight, you can put here in dead load, and you can also apply live load. Okay, here. Then after analyzing, you can use the calculated result. Okay, and then make a combination as per your country's structural code, and then you can use that one, the resulted load combination, to design a specific property or a specific structural elements. Okay, so I will show you another one. I think this perform the analysis self-load calculation. It is, if you press this one, it is the same as here. Okay, so you can view also this one. It is found also here on the tabs or the icons here, or you can select here. You can select also here. You can right click anywhere here, and then the options. Okay, so as just what I have shown to you before you make a model of your frame, you have to customize, okay, your units under here. Okay, so let us see here. Okay, you can also specify colors. Okay, so you can specify colors of, for example, you want the background as green, you can make that one, and it will come like this. Okay, so that is how you will do it. Okay, so for me, I will select white. Okay, so I hope this tutorial will be useful, especially for civil engineering students. Okay, thank you. Thank you for viewing my channel, and God bless.